Melting frost. The question for this project is, how long would it take for a miniature iceberg to melt under natural conditions with and without perishable food in its core? The hypothesis is that under natural conditions, the miniature iceberg will take 2 days to melt with and without perishable food in the core. The controlled variables are the size of the bends, the water level, and the iceberg size. The independent variable is the sunlight, and the dependent variable is the rate of melting. To test the hypothesis, I melted 2 normal icebergs, 2 icebergs with squash in the core, and 2 icebergs with leaf in the core. The results showed that the icebergs with squash in the core took the longest to melt, the icebergs with a leaf in the core took the shortest period of time to melt, and the normal iceberg took an average time to melt. These results are quite expectable, but the role that the sunlight played in the melting process was far greater than previously thought, and the temperature played a much more insignificant role. This means that since the level of sunlight the icebergs were exposed to is what mostly speeds up the melting rate, since the squashberg was the average temperature of about 19 degrees Celsius.